Did you know the band officially disbanded in 2011? Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Jethro Tull, a pioneering British rock band, was formed in 1967. The founding members included Ian Anderson, vocals, flute, guitar, Mick Abrahams, guitar, Glenn Cornick, bass, and Clive Bunker, drums. Abrahams left the band after their debut album due to creative differences and was replaced by Martin Barre, who became a significant contributor to their sound. Cornick departed in 1970 and was succeeded by Jeffrey Hammond-Hammond. The band's lineup remained stable for several years until personnel changes in the late 70s and 80s, including various keyboardists and drummers. Anderson's distinctive vocals and flute playing defined the band's sound, which blended elements of rock, folk, and classical music. Jethro Tull achieved critical and commercial success with albums like Aqualung, Thick as a Brick, and Songs from the Wood, earning Grammy Awards and numerous nominations. They embarked on extensive tours worldwide, including iconic performances at venues like Madison Square Garden and the Isle of Wight Festival. Conflicts within the band occasionally arose, notably Anderson's disputes with former members over songwriting credits and direction. Tragically, original bassist Glenn Cornick passed away in 2014 from congestive heart failure at the age of 67. The band officially disbanded in 2011, though Anderson has occasionally reunited with past members for special performances. Post-disbandment, members pursued various projects. Anderson focused on solo work and theatrical endeavors, while Martin Barre continued to perform and record music. Despite the band's dissolution, their legacy endures through classic rock anthems and Anderson's continued artistic endeavors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.